I've been having some really interesting and inexplicable issues with my 3D printer, and I couldn't figure it out. So I started messing with it, and I've changed a bunch of things, and well, I found this. This is just kind of a warning to everybody out there. I have no clue what brand these were because I bought so many miscellaneous pieces that have included nozzles over the period of time. But at the same time, though, the point being, regardless. So I've been messing with things, and then I had some issues, poor texture, infill not showing up in really high walls and stuff like that. So what I discovered was this, though, is if you notice both these nozzles say they're 0.4s. Well, notice how the lower one is on this tip cleaner, and then notice how the upper one is not. Well, do you notice how the one just slides all the way down and the other one doesn't? You can't even push it through. So that means that these tips are not the same orifice diameter. I guess that, kind of is my fault for not buying from reliable brand name sources and all that good stuff, yada, yada, yada. But at the very least, if you deal with this kind of thing, you need to do some sort of quality assurance to ensure that you're even in the ballpark, apparently. Because this might be, a full tenth of a millimeter off or more. I mean, the difference between this slipping over and it doing it easily and this one not even doing it at all is just astounding. So pay attention, everybody. Catch ya. Bye.